Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a drive-through coffee shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two baristas, Jake and Sophie, and the customers at the drive-thru. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does the driver of the blue car pay for? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning. It is 6:30. Let us open the drive-thru.
Good morning. I am ready. We are both on the drive-thru today, right?
Yes, just you and me. You make the drinks and work the window. I will take the orders.
Sounds good. Let me put on my headset first. Can you hear me?
I can hear you well. Now let me put mine on too. Testing, testing. How about me?
Loud and clear. The headset works. Now let us check the speaker outside.
Good idea. Cars talk to us through that speaker. If it is broken, we cannot hear the orders.
I'll check the menu board too. The lights need to be on so drivers can read it.
The board looks bright. All the prices are easy to see. Nice.
Let me test the speaker now. Hello, hello. Can a driver hear us clearly?
Yes, your voice comes through well. Now the machine. The coffee machine is warm and ready.
Great. And I have a lot of cups, lids, and milk. We won't run out.
You think of everything. The window is clean too. We are all set to open.
Everything is ready. You know, I really like the drive-thru.
Me too. But why do you like it so much?
Because sometimes something nice happens here. Something that makes your whole day better.
Really? Like what?
I will not tell you now. Just wait and see. It doesn't happen every day.
Now I want to know. Okay, I will wait. Did you know the drive-thru is very old?
Old? How old is it?
The first drive-thru in America opened almost 80 years ago. People loved to stay in their cars.
80 years? That is a long time. I guess people were always busy.
Yes, they can buy coffee and food without leaving the car. It's fast and easy.
And now the first car is coming. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let us have a great morning. Here we go. Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. Can I get one large latte, please?
One large latte. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is cold outside this morning.
I understand. A hot drink is perfect on a cold day like this.
Yes, my hands are freezing. I need something warm to hold.
Hot latte. Got it. Anything else for you?
Yes, I would like one blueberry muffin, too.
One blueberry muffin. Let me say your order back. One large hot latte and one blueberry muffin. Is that right?
That is right. Oh, wait. Can you make the latte with less sugar?
Of course. One large hot latte, less sugar, and one blueberry muffin. Perfect.
Thank you. My doctor told me to have less sugar this year.
That is a good plan. Many people ask for less sugar these days. We are happy to help.
Thank you. How much is it?
That will be $6.50. You can pay at the window.
Great. Where do I go now?
Please drive to the window. My coworker will give you your drink there.
Okay. You were very fast. How do you take orders so quickly?
See this screen in front of me? It counts the seconds for every car. We try to be fast.
Oh, that is clever. So the shop knows how quick you are with each order?
Yes, every car has its own time. We want to keep it short, but still be kind.
Well, you did both. You were quick and friendly. That is a nice way to start my day.
Thank you. A warm hello costs nothing, and it makes the morning better for everyone.
I agree. I am still a little sleepy, so your smile helps me wake up.
That's what the coffee is for, too. Your drink will be ready at the window.
Perfect. Thank you again. Have a great morning.
You're welcome. See you at the window. Drive safe.
Good morning. Welcome to the window. You are picking up an order, right?
Good morning. I have a big one today. 4 drinks for my family.
4 drinks. No problem. Let me check your order. 2 coffees and 2 hot chocolates?
That is right. The hot chocolates are for my kids. They love them.
So sweet. Kids always pick hot chocolate. Your total is $9.20.
Here you go. I will pay with this card.
Thank you. Just tap your card right here on the machine.
Done. That was easy. Modern machines are so fast now.
They are. One moment, please. Let me get your drinks ready.
Take your time. There's no rush. My kids are still waking up at home.
I know that feeling. Here's your first coffee. Careful, it's very hot.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. My wife will love this.
And here's the second coffee. 2 down, 2 to go.
Thank you. Wow, 4 cups. How will I hold them all in the car?
Do not worry. I will put them in a paper carrier. This carrier holds 4 cups.
Oh, that is smart. It fits them all together.
Yes, it's perfect for your car. No spills. You can put it right on the seat.
That is very helpful. My kids will be so happy this morning.
I'm glad. Here are the 2 hot chocolates. Now your carrier is full.
Thank you so much. This makes my drive easy.
You're welcome. By the way, look behind you. The line is getting long now.
Wow, you're right. So many cars this morning. I should move along quickly.
No rush for you, but I do need to work a little faster now.
You're doing great. Stay calm and take 1 car at a time. You'll be fine.
Thank you for that. I will. Have a wonderful day with your family.
You too. Bye now. Good luck with the busy morning.
Bye. Drive safe. Okay, next car. Welcome to the window. I'll be right with you. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is drive-thru, meaning a place where you buy food or drinks from your car. For example, let's go to the drive-thru for coffee. The second word is headset, meaning a small speaker and microphone you wear on your head. For example, the worker wears a headset to take orders. The third word is order, meaning to ask for food or drinks at a shop. For example, I want to order a large coffee, please. The fourth word is window, meaning the opening where you get your food or drinks. For example, please drive to the window to pick up your coffee. The fifth word is line, meaning a row of cars or people waiting for something. For example, the line at the drive-thru is very long today. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Jake and Sophie at the drive-thru.
Sophie, the line is huge now. It goes all the way around the building.
I know, so many cars. This is the real morning rush.
Let us work together. I will take all the orders, you make the drinks, and work the window.
Good plan. Just tell me each order clearly. I do not want to make a mistake.
I will. Here comes the next one. 1 large iced coffee and 1 small hot tea.
Wait, was that iced coffee or hot coffee? I need to be sure.
Good question. It is iced coffee, cold, and the tea is hot. Iced coffee, hot tea.
Got it. Iced coffee, hot tea. Thank you for checking. Making a mistake is easy when we are fast.
That is why we say it twice. Hot and iced sound almost the same through the speaker.
So true. One wrong drink and the car has to come back. That slows the whole line.
Right, and the driver is not happy. Nobody wants the wrong coffee before work.
Exactly. So I always repeat the order to myself while I make it.
That is smart. We both understand the order. Careful is better than fast, and today we are doing both.
We are a good team. Here, the drinks are ready for the next window.
Perfect timing. You are amazing at this. Did you know most people here use the drive-thru?
Really? How many?
In America, 7 out of 10 people use the drive-thru. So many people like to stay in their cars.
7 out of 10? Now I understand why our line is so long every morning.
Yes, people are busy. They want their coffee without leaving the car.
It's warm and dry inside a car too. Nobody wants to stand in the cold rain.
Good point. On rainy days, the line is even longer than today.
Well, we are giving it to them fast. Next order, please.
Here comes the next one. 2 large lattes, both hot.
2 hot lattes. Easy. See, we are flying now.
We are. Keep it up. The rush will slow down soon.
Good morning. Welcome to the window. Your order is 1 large coffee, right?
Yes, that is right. Good morning to you.
Here is your coffee, nice and hot. Your total is $2.50.
Okay, and I want to pay for one more thing.
One more thing? Did you want another drink?
No, not for me. I want to pay for the car behind me, too. Anything they order is fine.
Wait, really? You want to pay for the next car's coffee?
Yes, I want to pay for the next car's coffee. It is a small gift for a stranger.
That is so kind. I am really surprised. Why do you want to do this?
I saw it on the news. At one shop, more than 900 cars paid for the next car.
900 cars? That is wonderful. So each driver paid for the one behind them?
Yes, one after another, all day long. I thought, I want to start that here today.
What a beautiful idea. One small gift can grow into a very long chain.
That is what I hope. It does not cost much, but it makes people smile.
You just made my morning. This is the nice thing I was waiting for.
I'm happy to hear that. It feels good to give.
It really does. So here's what I will do. When the next car comes, their coffee is free.
Perfect. Please do not tell them my name. Just say a stranger paid for it.
I will. They are going to be so surprised and happy.
That is the fun part. Maybe they will pay for the next car too.
Maybe they will. A long line of kind people. What a lovely idea.
I hope so. It would be nice to see it go on all morning.
I will tell my coworker. He will not believe this story.
Tell him a stranger in a blue car started it. Well, have a great day. Thank you for the coffee.
Thank you. Drive safe. And thank you for the kindness.
Wow, it is after 9 now. The line is finally gone. We can breathe.
Finally, that was the busiest morning this week. My feet are tired.
Mine too. Let me clean the window while it is quiet. You can rest for a minute.
Thanks. I will wipe down the counter. So, did anything fun happen at your side?
Not really, just a lot of coffee, coffee, coffee. But you looked very happy at one point. Why?
Oh, that was the best moment. Do you remember the blue car?
The blue car? Yes, I took that order. One large coffee, right?
Right. Well, that driver paid for the car behind him, too.
Wait, so the blue car paid for the next car's coffee?
Yes, he paid for the next car's coffee. He wanted to give a gift to a stranger.
That is amazing. So the driver of the blue car paid for the next car. What a nice guy.
He said he saw it on the news. Hundreds of cars did it at another shop.
I remember that story. People kept paying for the next car all day.
This was the nice thing I told you about this morning. Sometimes the drive-thru brings a little magic.
Now I understand why you love it here. That really is special.
And the best part is, the driver behind him paid for the next car too.
Really? So the kindness kept going?
Yes, one after another, 3 cars paid for the next one. Then the 4th was in a hurry.
That is still 3 happy drivers. Not bad for one morning.
It is. A small, kind act can make so many people smile.
You are right. That is my favorite part of this job. Well, our busy time is over.
When is our busiest time again?
From 7 to 9, that is our busiest time. Most people buy coffee before work.
That makes sense. Now the morning rush is done. Time to take off the headset.
Yes, great work today, Sophie. What a morning.
Great work, Jake. Same window tomorrow?
Same window tomorrow. Let us go get our own coffee now.
Now that is the best idea all day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does the driver of the blue car pay for? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.